Hey, what's up? Sergi here. Welcome to my course where I'm going to explain to you all you need to know to get the success in YouTube. The first thing that you have to understand is that 70% of success is in your mindset, in the way how you think. Understanding mindset is what is going to make you move forward your dreams and reach that goal that you want to achieve. On the other hand, you have to understand the rules of the game. The rules of YouTube. That means that you have to be able to create a good video on good content and put it on YouTube. You have to be good at editing, you have to learn how to talk to the camera, you have to be able to tell good stories, and you have to learn a lot of skills, and that's what we call power keys. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 tips about mindset that will help you to grow your YouTube channel. My first tip is that everyone can do it. It's not like you are born with it or something like that. It's just a matter of practice, a matter of getting in front of the camera and talking and trying and doing things. And everyone is special, so don't feel like you don't have anything to tell to the camera, to tell to people. So start filming yourself and telling to the people that's watching what's your story, what's your way of thinking, what makes you different to the rest. Just tell them anything that you want to say. Just don't feel like cohibited or something like that. Just go, just feel free to talk to the camera and say whatever you want to say. And stop thinking that you can't do it. Instead of that, improve your skills and make better videos. That's it. So that brings to my second tip. Start filming yourself. Take action. Don't wait for a better timing. Don't wait for a better situation. I'm not in the best place in the world. I'm in my bedroom, but I have to start because I need to improve. I need to just cut the crap. The 50% of the success remains in taking action. If you never take action, you will never reach anything. Even if you're really good and you have a great skills on videography or on talking to the camera, but if you don't take action, you will never reach anything in this life. Done is the new perfect. Don't try to make it perfect, just do it. Do it! And the more you do, the more you improve. So just start filming yourself once and again and again and again. Try to make better story, try to achieve a better quality, but don't stop, just film. That will move you forward your goals. My third tip about mindset is don't delegate your tasks. Even if you don't have time to do it, even if you are really busy, for example, let's say that you are working and you have no time to edit your videos, don't hire a videographer just to do it for you. Because the thing is that what you need is to learn. You don't need to create a great video. You need to learn, you need to do and learn and get the skills. That's the important part. If you just hire someone, you're not gonna learn anything. So at the very beginning, when we are growing a channel from the very bottom for the scratch, what we need to do is to do a lot of things and do it by ourselves. So we learn the best way and we learn how to do it. That's the way. And so we have to apply what we call Kaizen. Kaizen is about doing little things and asking to yourself once and again, what can I do better to get a better quality? For instance, let's say that you have done one video and you have edited, just watch it and in a piece of paper just write down all the points that you could improve about this video. So in the next video you try to do it better and you do the Kaizen and you apply the Kaizen again and you make another list of things to improve and you do it again and again and after a few months you will be doing an amazing video with amazing quality. So my tip is do it by yourself, try to learn and apply Kaizen all the time. My tip number 4 is about getting uncomfortable, alright? You have to reach the point when you are really comfortable getting uncomfortable. Force yourself to step out of the comfort zone. If it's weird for you watching yourself talking or filming yourself, just do it once and again and watch it and hear yourself until you get the point, until you reach the point that it's not uncomfortable anymore, it's not weird anymore, it's weird at the very beginning. So just do it once and again until you reach the point that you're not uncomfortable anymore with that. So once you have achieved that, just move to another level. Just, I don't know, just film yourself in public places and maybe go with the camera and ask questions to the people on the street. I don't know, whatever it feels uncomfortable to you, just go and do it, because the things that make you feel uncomfortable are the things that are going to help you, are going to make you grow up. If you catch yourself saying, "Oh, I'm not going to do it because I feel uncomfortable doing it," that's the reason to do it. Just go and do it, because that's what it's going to make you step forward to your goals. And my fifth and last tip about mindset is have fun. You're creating a YouTube channel, you're doing something that is really cool. You have no boss, you don't have any responsibilities, just whatever you feel that you want to do, just go ahead and do it. Just have fun with it. Feel free to film whatever you want to film. Feel free to go outside, film people, or make jokes, or put special effects, or whatever you want to do. Just have fun with it. Have fun doing videos. It's really, really fun. Don't hold it back because of what people will say about you. If you're having fun, you're gonna transmit that happiness you have through the video to the audience, and you're gonna make them to have fun and to be happy. So don't hold it back, just go and have as much fun as you can. I hope this video helped you, and from now on I'm gonna focus on technical things, on knowing the rules of YouTube, all what you need to know to improve the quality of your videos, how to film, how to edit, how to talk to the camera, how to do the thumbnails, how to do the naming, all of the stuff that it's not about having fun and doing what you like. It's more about what you need to know to achieve success in YouTube. Take action, take action, take action, do things now. Start filming yourself, go grab the camera. You don't have a camera, just do it with your cell phone. Just film yourself once and again and again and again. Just, what are you doing watching this video? Go grab your camera and film yourself now, and subscribe.